Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to use Afterpay at Expedia. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up your Afterpay app and log into your account. So once you've logged in, on your search bar there, search for Expedia. When you search for Expedia, you should see Expedia from the search list. And once you once you see Expedia, so what are you going to do? You're going to simply select the Expedia from the search list, and it will redirect you to the Expedia site through Afterpay. So you'll be using Afterpay, you'll be redirected to their official website. So now you can simply just look for the flights, stay, or whatever you want, and you can, once you've done all your browsing and everything, and when you get to the payment session, all you have to do is select Pay Now. So when you select Pay Now, under the payment method, you should see Afterpay already selected. This is because we accessed Expedia through the Afterpay app, so it should be selected. And then you can simply complete your booking. And also please note that this mostly supports in US only. So keep that in mind, and it might not be available for some regions. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.